You will learn how to embed a web link in Gmail email from this tutorial. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser, okay? And in this case, I will use Google Chrome. Visit gmail.com and log in. Once you log in successfully, you'll find yourself on an interface that looks like this. Click on Compose. Here in the tool, type the email address of the person you're sending this email to, alright? Okay, so let me send to this Outlook email. Then in the subject section, just give it the subject of your choice. Alright, click inside this body section and then explain the content of the email. Alright, I'm done typing what I want to have in the body section and it reads, there are some books you need to read to know more about information technology. Godwin Mike, in bracket Godwin Tech, which is me, has published a lot of books that cover this, alright, and so on. Now you know the area you want to embed link in. So what you need to do is to highlight that area. So if you read through this email here, for example, I say, go to this or go to his author's page on Lulu by clicking here and purchase some of his books. So this word here is what I want to add link inside. All right, so I will highlight the text here. Okay, then after you are done highlighting the text, the next step you need to take is to get the web link you want to insert inside this text. Okay, so let me open a new tab and get to the author's page in this case. All right, look at the author's page. Let's load it to see how it looks. Okay, so I will scroll down. You can see all these books are mine. This is the paper. This is the ebook. All right, and this is an ebook too. So what I need to do, just copy the web link you want to insert in the text, and I have copied this already. So I'll get back, and the here as a text has been highlighted already. Then click on this insert link section, then type in the link, Ctrl V to paste, then click on apply. So this has changed color. So when I send this email to this young man, once he clicks on this here, he or she will be taken to the web page to make a purchase. So let's click on send. This message has been sent and I have access to the email address. So let me log into the email address, which is the receiver here, and then we click on the link to see what happens. So here am I in the inbox, and this is the email here. So I'll click on it and it opens by the side here. You can see that here. All right, it's showing in blue color. So let's click on that and it's now opening on a new tab. So look at it. So the link is working and it works perfectly. If you want to read more about information technology, consider some of these books here. I'm still going to publish more in the future. So I have a lot of books on information technology that will help you out. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.